How can you stop your iPhone from deleting messages and recover those lost texts? Join us as we explore the reasons behind this iPhone deletes text messages phenomenon and discover several solutions to put an end to it. Part 1. Why are my text messages deleting themselves on my iPhone? Message settings. Check settings. Messages. Keep messages for auto delete. iOS updates. Backup before updating to avoid data loss. Storage. Manage in settings. General iPhone storage. Part 2. Top 5 solutions to fix iPhone keeps deleting messages issue. Solution 1. Reset keep messages. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Messages. Select the option for Keep Messages. Adjust the setting to Forever to ensure messages are retained indefinitely. Solution 2. Enable iCloud Backup. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on iCloud. Select iCloud Backup. Toggle the switch to enable iCloud Backup. Solution 3. Backup iPhone using iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer and launch iTunes. Once your iPhone is detected, click on its icon within iTunes. Navigate to the Summary tab, then select Backups and click Backup Now. Solution 4. Update iOS software. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Select Software Update. Choose Download and Install to update your iOS software. Part 3. How to recover deleted text messages from iPhone. 1. Recover deleted messages without backup. If iCloud or iTunes backups are unavailable, try Mobican Doctor for iOS. It's a reliable tool for recovering deleted messages from iOS devices running iOS 17 or earlier. How to recover messages that disappeared from your iPhone with Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Install and launch Doctor for iOS. Step 2. Preview and select iPhone messages. Step 3. Recover deleted messages from iPhone. 2. Restore deleted messages from iCloud. In Settings, go to iCloud and disable text messages. When prompted, select Keep on my iPhone. Enable text messages again and select Merge. Wait patiently for all lost messages to be restored to your iOS device. 3. Restore erased messages from iTunes. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone. Select your device. Click Restore Backup. Choose the appropriate backup and click Restore.